talk about the Chief Minister here, Chandrababu Naidu, who has condoled the incident, saying that it has deeply disturbed him. As far as him monitoring the situation is concerned, he said that he will be also visiting the site where the stampede that has been reported last evening.
एकादशी दर्शन के लिए इधर हम टोकन इशू करने के लिए 91 काउंटर्स ओपन किया। ये बहुत बुरा बात है। और भैरकपट्टी का वो काउंटिंग सेंटर पर स्टैम्पेड हुआ। उधर स्टैम्पेड में डिवोटीज का डेथ हो गया और टोटली 40 पिलग्रिम्स वर एडमिटेड। were giving our best medical services to that affected devotees, but it is a very unfortunate incident, never happened in TTD history.
Opened 8 counters in Tirupati and 1 in Tirumala, but whatever 8 counters, every counter is peaceful except one MJM school where there was Padmavati Park, and there was stampede there because all of a sudden they've opened the park at 9 p.m. and all of them, because there were around 4,000 to 5,000 people inside, they have come at once. So due to which there was a stampede. Otherwise all counters were peaceful. They have left into the queue little early. So everything was peaceful except a few injuries and few deaths, whatever happened in Ruya and Swims. But it is really unfortunate because all throughout other states also, Karnataka or Tamil Nadu, they have come. Really unfortunate. There were children, there were women, there were older people. They have been waiting since morning.
इंसिडेंट का कारण ओवर क्राउड, अनएक्सपेक्टेड क्राउड, ये अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट। थोड़ा बहुत तो आइडिया है, ये बोल के नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया है। ऐसा होता बोल के हम नहीं सोचे। तो थोड़ा इंटेलिजेंस का भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल लेना है। तो कल सीएम साहब सब बताएंगे।
Right, Vashni, the Chief Minister, who is scheduled to visit Tirupati today, also speaking to the officials, inquiring about the treatment that has been given to the injured, and senior officials which have been instructed to visit the scene and take immediate relief measures.
Absolutely, yes. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, immediately condoled the incident, and he also had expressed his deep shock as to how this kind of rush was not being able to manage, and that too only, the main thing that was happening there was all about issuing of tokens. So right now, the Chief Minister is set to visit the Tirupati temple, and he will be inspecting first. He's said that he will visit the hospital and see how the treatment is happening for the people who are getting treated there, and ensure that they are all safe and there is proper treatment. And then he will be visiting to the place and see what is what went wrong, and speaking to officials. He will also have a meeting there, is what we are given to understand at this point of time, a review meeting, and at the TTD office along with the officials there. So the Chief Minister's arrival is expected to happen around 12 noon, and he will be here for a few hours, ensuring that everything is put in place, so that because we are going to near the annual event, which is going to start on January 10th. So to ensure that everything is put in place so that the event can also happen, and also people can come in and go out safely and have their darshans peacefully, is also something that is top priority of the government, is what we are seeing right now. So the Chief Minister will hold this review meeting and then fly back. So apart from that, we are also seeing ministers and other important officials also rushing and ensuring that everything handled right now. So we'll have to wait and see what is the other important steps that the government is going to take at this point as well.